Chevelle fans, let's take a look at this one. 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is an SS Tribute. Extremely nice paint on this, as you can see. Nice luster to it. Car is nice and straight. Now, the good part about this car is underneath the hood. It says a 496 crate engine underneath there. It's dynoed at 526 horse. In 2016 is when the majority of this work was done in this car, as far as engine, drivetrain. Since then, a fuel injection has been added to it, Sniper fuel injection, and it works fabulous. This car is a blast to drive with Hotchkiss suspension underneath, and I can go on and on about this car. I'd like to check out the underside picks. Check out that suspension, tubular A-arms, like I said, Hotchkiss suspension, tubular A-arms, sway bars. Car goes down the road extremely nice. Almost call it somewhat of a resto mod with a 496 crate in there, and the fuel injection, power steering, power brakes. Does have a serpentine system that's been added to it. It does have a compressor on it. The rest of the AC or heat is not plumbed, but there is a compressor with that serpentine system underneath the hood. We get around to the other side, I'll pop her for you. We'll fire it up and check that out. It does have power steering, power brakes. So nicely equipped car. Was originally a factory AC car. Check out the underside. Like I was going to say before, with the tubular A-arms and that suspension that's been added. UniqueClassicCars.com. Willwood brakes all the way around. See some nice chrome 5-spoke wheels. Again, just take a look at the luster, the reflection coming off that car. How straight is up and down it. And does it move? This one will get up and go. Make sure you got her pointed the right direction when you put your foot into it. Give us a call if you'd like to know about this car. Have any questions? 507-386-1726 is where you can reach us at. This car has had over $24,000 worth of receipts in a folder that we have between drivetrain, engine, things that have been done to this car. So feel free to give us a call if you'd like to know about any of that. Automatic in this, turbo 400. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can help with the transportation to where you're located at. If you buy this beauty, we can get it to your driveway. This one here kind of speaks for itself. Just take a look up and down it. There's a couple chips in the hood. FYI, that's a fly. That's not a mark on the car. A couple little nicks, a couple of chips in the hood that have been fixed up. Other than that, just look up and down this thing. Absolutely beautiful. Horseshoe shifter inside there, bucket seats, vinyl. Interior is just as nice as the outside. Little aftermarket tack on the steering column. So they've added the SS door cards. Headliner, also very nice shape. Like I said, the vinyl interior, extremely nice. Wouldn't be afraid to get in this car and turn the key and go. And when you turn the key, this one will pop right over with that fuel injection. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it. Best part. Turn the key, let the fuel pump run a second. There you have it. Pops right over. Great sounding car. Little aftermarket Pioneer stereo system to it. You can see here it was a factory AC car. Like I said, compressors underneath there with a serpentine system, but not hooked up. Two aftermarket gauges underneath the dash. Horseshoe shifter. So nicely the door closes and come around to the back of this and listen to this. Like to show up at a car show or roll in. They'll know you're there. That 496 sounds awesome. Go ahead, I'm going to pop the hood so you can see how good it looks underneath there too, and let's check out this engine. Pause the video a second, just get that hood open. Alright, check out this engine bay. There you go. Power steering, power brakes, and the serpentine system, headers. The valve covers were just added, and air cleaner. Look how smooth to give us a call. There's too many things to mention as far as from those receipts. 507-386-1726. Be happy to go through it with you. Like I said, check out the still pictures. So lift this car over close. It's that nice. UniqueClassicCars.com. We can check out those still pictures. Once again, we do consider trades. We have financing available, and we can assist with the shipping to wherever you're located at the continental United States here.